Hello friends, welcome to Gallant Days. Hope you guys have an amazing day. So today we are going to deal with another CSAT question. Now check the question. If 1100 boys and 900 girls appear in an exam, if 50% of the boys and 40% of the girls passed in that exam, find the total percentage of students who had passed. So this is a very simple question and the question is actually based on percentage. And I think we had seen usual types of questions in different types of aptitude exams. Of course, in our CSAT also, we had seen these types of questions. That is, exams and students. So, check the question. 1100 boys and 900 girls appear in an exam, and 50% of the boys and 40% of the girls passed in that exam. That is, the total number of boys as well as total number of girls is given and their pass percentage is also given, that is 50% of the boys and 40% of the girls. So we can find the number of the students who had passed in that exam, right? That is, with these these four data, we can find the total number of girls and total number of boys passed in that exam. So I will give you a brief idea about that and then we will go directly to our shortcut method. Okay, this is actually the conventional method. That is, first I'm going to explain and then we're going to explain the shortcut method. So let's do this problem. That is 1100 boys, right? 1100 boys and 900 girls appear in an exam and 50% of the boys passed, right? 50% of the boys cleared that exam. That is, out of 1100, 50%, 50%, that is, out of 1100, 50% of the boys passed, right? Passed in the exam. Boys, okay? That is, 50% of 1100 boys passed in that exam. So total boys who had cleared is what? 1100 into 50 by 100. So it is nothing but 550, right? 550. 550 is the total boys who had passed in the exam. Now consider the girls' cases. That is, total number of student, the girl student is 900. Out of 900, 40% of the girls passed in that exam, right? That is 40% of 900. 40% of 900 is nothing but 40 by 100 into 900, right? 0 get cancel, 9 4 is 36, that is 360. So 550 boys and 360 girls totally passed in that exam. Now our question is what? Find, this is actually the question, okay? Find the total percentage of students passed. So let's find the total number of students passed, right? That is 360 plus 550, right? 360 plus 550 is nothing but 360 plus 550, 11, 1 plus 3 is 4, 910, right? So it is 910, that is, so we got that 910 students passed in that exam. That is, out of 1100 boys plus 900 girls, 910 students passed in that exam. So that is, 900 students passed out of 1100 plus 900, right? 1100 boys and 900 girls. That is 910. That is equal to what? 2000, right? 2000. Out of 2000 students, 910 students passed in that exam. So we need to find the percentage of students. So how to find the percentage? That is, we need to find the percentage of 910 out of 2000, right? That is 910 by 2000 into 100, right? 0 got cancelled, 0. That is 91 by 2, 91 divided by 2, 8, 1, 5s are 10. Okay, 45.5%, right? 45.5% is the total students total percentage of students who had passed in that exam. So this is actually the conventional method and there is a whole lot of steps involving. Now there is actually a shortcut method, okay? There is actually a direct equation in order to solve these types of questions. That is, the equation is a plus b plus a into a plus b into b, the whole divided by a plus b. Okay, capital A into small a plus capital B into small b, the whole divided by a plus b. So here capital A is the total number of boys. Okay, capital A is the number of boys and small a is the percentage of boys. Capital A is the number of boys and small a is the percentage of boys, and capital B is the number of girls and small a is the percentage of girls. Okay, so substitute the value simultaneously and simplify. You will get the answer as 45.5 percentage. Okay, that you will get directly. Okay, we separately don't need to find the number of students who had passed in that exam, and we can simply find the answer just by substituting the values over there, and you will get the answer as 45.5 percentage. Okay guys, that's all for the day. Thank you.